I want to show. I love this refrigerator. I really do. We are in need for a new refrigerator. Not the Alesia or Manuel Snoogeyfaces. I mean, Samsung, you all are doing it. This is well. And then, no, this is not the one. This has the ice trays in it, yeah. They have one with 3 drawers. Let me see. Hi. Not the Alesia or Manuel Snoogeyfaces. Shopping for a refrigerator. Is this the one? Oh, yes. This is the one right here. The ice trays. Got the scoop in there. That one's in the door. Anyway, I am loving it because you can make it all different types. So, yeah, you can design your own kitchen. This one, I'm in love. Yes, I just fell in love with this one. Anyway, Arthur, Alesia, Manuel, Snoogeyfaces. Oh, happy Sunday, Labor Day. Is this what we work for? What is this? Is this a water filter? Oh, okay. Good on you. I ain't gonna touch it. I don't want to break nothing. Okay. Okay, you could design it all. I love it.